Hi, Sisi. Nagulat ka, no? Anyway, I just want to greet you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my gorgeous Sisi Rem. Ayan. You glow every day. You're beautiful. I wish you all the happiness and then good health. And of course, the best in life, is being contented and happy and being kind to all the people you meet around the world. Yeah. And of course, more careers in Star Maker, being a singer. Ano pa ba? Basta, stay beautiful and happy. That's the important. And just enjoy life. Yeah. Happy birthday. Love ya.
Hi Kap, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa pagtitiyaga sa amin na kahit hindi po kami nakapag-tasking, naroon na pa rin na sumusuporta sa amin. Salamat po Kap, napakabuti mo. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong kaarawan. I-enjoy mo lang po ang iyong moment. Salamat po ulit. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Hi Kapram! Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. God bless, stay pretty as you are, and enjoy singing. Bye!
Hello Kap! Happy birthday! Birthday mo na naman pero hindi pa rin tayo nagkikita. Ayan ang wish ko lang sa'yo. Good luck sa lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay. Good luck sa future nyo. Sana maging strong pa rin kayo ni Gab. At gayon din sa fam. Pagpatuloy mo lang pagmamahal sa fam. Narito lang kami nakasuporta sa'yo. At salamat nga pala sa 2 years of friendship. Sa 2 years ko from demigods to MOAE. Ayan, still going strong pa rin. Nandito pa rin ako. At hindi ako maghahanap ng iba. Ayan. Love you, Kap, so much. Enjoy your day. Love.
Siskoy! Yan, happy birthday, Siskoy! Andito lang lagi ang Siskoy para sa iyo. At lagi mong tandaan, loves na loves ikaw ng Siskoy. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you, Captain. I wish you all the best, all the happiness in life, all the love you deserve. Happy birthday. This is your Kuya Koy, always with you. Enjoy.
Hi Captain Ram, it's me. Well, just dropping by to greet you a happy birthday, and syempre wish namin ang the best para sa'yo, especially for this day. Sana mag-enjoy ka, and syempre wish namin ang success mo sa lahat ng ginagawa mo sa career, sa work, sa SM, and sa mga plans mo. And yun, God bless, and more birthdays to come. And thank you nga pala for accepting me sa family, sa Music of Alter Ego. I truly enjoy the family and ang mabait na mga members, and especially yung captain namin. So, God bless, Captain. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Hi, Kat. I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. Happiest birthday to the wonderful person, to the wonderful leader, to the wonderful friend, trusted friend that I've ever met here in SM. You're such an amazing person, Kat. Wishing you good health, good luck, and more happiness in life. May God always guide you and protect you and keep you safe always. And may this year and years ahead be as wonderful as you are. I love you so much, Captain. I've always been grateful to you. And I really wanted to thank you for everything you've done for me, for us. I love you. God bless always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mga Bells! I wish you have more years to celebrate, and sana makabanding ka ulit namin Lalabs, alam mo na, kahit nawawala kang bigla sa gitna ng ating banding, ikaw pa rin yung aming namimiss makasama. Ingat ka palagi, alam mo na, mahal ka namin.
Hi Kap! Happy birthday po. And siguro po yung wish ko sa inyo, yung good health niyo po. At salamat din po sa pagtanggap niyo sa akin ko sa FAM. At sa mga members din po, admins, to captain, salamat din po. And happy birthday po ulit.
Hi buddy, happy birthday to you. Yes, this is your birthday, so I want to say happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Hope all your dreams come true. Be happy always. Be healthy. Hope we can meet soon. And then I want to say thank you for being a good friend to me. Once again, happy birthday, buddy, and your special day.
Hello, Frenny. I just want to greet you a happy 31st birthday. Ayun naman. And as always, I wish all the best in life. I wish for your happiness, good health, everything that will be best for you. And you know, may always here for you. And for Tol, alam mo naman yan. And always be happy. Okay? Take care always. Happy birthday.
Today we celebrate your birthday. Our hearts are full of joy for you. So we're here to let you know that we are all so proud of you. You know we're always here and willing to sit around and support you. But now, Captain, can't you see there's nothing else for us to do but to say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, CC Cap! Thank you so much for all the efforts you made for our family. Wishing you all the best and all the happiness. And nakita ko kung gaano kasaya nun 2 years ago. Pero masabi ko at ramdam ko na mas masaya ka ngayon. And you really deserve it, CC. Promise. Deserve mo yan. Thank you so much. Ingat ka palagi. And ayun, happy birthday again. Thank you. We love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Captain Ram! Sa aming napakagandang captain. Hindi na kita pabulahin kasi alam mo naman how wonderful you are. But I would say you are the most beautiful captain that I have ever met dito sa Star Maker. Inside and out, you really are. I am just so happy to get to know you a bit. Parang I've known you for years. Best of luck sa inyo ni Gab. Bawasan ang tampuhan, kasi nagbabati din naman kayo. Ang wish ko is for all your wishes to come true. And stay bubbly, stay pretty, and most importantly, stay healthy. I hope with these little greetings, we added a bit of happiness on your special day. Again, and happy birthday.
Hello! Sa aming pinakamamahal na Captain Rem, happy birthday sa iyo, anak. Wish you all the best on your birthday and hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday and God bless you always. I love you.
Hi, Beb. I just want to greet my, pinakamamahal na babae sa balat ng lupa. Happy birthday. Um, Hindi na masyado mahaba ito kasi sabi ko naman yan sa araw-araw. Then again, happy birthday and more blessings to come. Continue being the nice person sa lahat ng nakapaligid sa'yo. You are truly an amazing person that I've met, and thank you for being my partner, the best partner that I've had. And always take care. Good luck sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo. Hindi ka lang lagi, okay? Kasi kapag nakasimangot ka, didikit yung feeling mo. Okay? So again, happy birthday. Mahal naman kita.
Hello, Sissy Bells Ram! Surprise! I just want to say happiest birthday to you, and I wish you all the best. And may this birthday be as unforgettable and amazing as you are. And remember, you are getting better, not older. Much love! Mwah, mwah. Bye!
Hi, Twinnie! Happy birthday! Ayan, tumanda na naman tayo. Pero, at least, maganda pa rin. Diba? Kamukha kita eh. Mana ka sa akin. Char! Miss na kita, Twinnie. And, alam mo naman na kahit di tayo palaging nag-uusap, love na love kita. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. And, sana dumating ulit yung time na magkita at magkasama ulit tayo. I love you!
Happy birthday, buddy. I wish you have a lifetime smile, happiness, and love. I pray to God will grant you long life, good health, and more birthdays to come. Thank you sa pagiging mabuti mong kaibigan sa amin ni Lovey Dubs. Sana maging masaya ang pagdiriwang mo ng iyong kaarawan. Good luck sa love life nyo ni Bro Gab. Stay strong lang kayo. Love ka namin and happy birthday. Have a blast.
Hi! Happiest birthday to you, Ate Ludi Ram. Thank you for being such a good friend sa amin ni Lovey Tabs. May you achieve all your goals and dreams in life. At sana bigyan ka ni Lord ng good health, long life, at happiness, especially sa love life mo. Stay cheerful, loving, kind, versatile. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday sa bestie ko dyan, sa aming Captain Rem. Maligayang kaarawan sa'yo. Matagumpay nawa sa buhay at karera na napili. At ako'y laging naririto sa'yo. Kahit minsan-minsan na lang tayo nakikita, nagsasama, at least isang tawag mo lang, isang chat mo lang, tawagin mo lang ako. Basta may signal, nandito lang ako. O hindi ako magbabago. Nandito lang ako lagi. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day, bestie ko. Mwah.